This little parking area here, just off the A120 near Stansted Airport. Toilet block, a few lorry parking spots as well. Let's have a look at the opening times of this place. Due to family commitments. Oh, it's only open in the opposite direction. You got a little picnic area over here. That's the way in for cars. Park safe camera car here, look. With a camera on the roof. Look. Camera on the roof of that car. There, look. This little area. Yeah, yeah. Hey?
You okay?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, good.
Just filming.
I was not sure what's going on.
What's going on? I'm just filming the area.
Filming the area? No,
Yeah.
you're filming the car and me and...
Oh, I filmed the car, yeah, but just filming the area as well. Just interesting. What's this all about, the camera car?
Our camera car is actually work for the bus stops.
Oh, right.
And
Oh,
if
for...
anyone park on the bus stop,
yeah.
camera picked up. That's
Oh,
it.
okay. Just
For
the
now,
bus stops,
yeah.
is it?
And the red route.
Oh, yeah,
And
yeah.
sometimes
Stopping
when
on
it's
red
school
routes.
times and
Yeah.
school,
Ah, right.
That's it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Nice little job then.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's all good?
All good, yeah, yeah. Just nice area. I've never been here before, see?
Okay, no, this is the area. One is this side, one's the other side.
Yeah.
So whenever we have a break, we just come.
You just come here, nice and quiet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. You have a nice day.
You too, thank you.
Friendly enough chappy.